guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we are looking at the ADIDAS Ivy Park Top 10 2000. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we are looking at the Ivy Park Top 10 2000, and for those that don't know, Ivy Park is Beyonce's fashion brand, and they are exclusively with Adidas. And the Top 10 2000 is actually one of the models that Kobe Bryant used to wear. Rest in peace, Kobe, we miss you dearly. We got this in the cream white colorway in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. Let's take a look at the box. So it looks very minimalistic. It's got, you know, the normal brown color, I guess, of the box, and with accents of orange, and you can see it in that monotone, that Adidas logo there, and the Ivy Park logo also all there too. Slide out box, and here they are. So essentially, these are Beyonce's basketball sneakers. So the Adidas TT2000, or the Top 10 2000, was a model that Kobe Bryant wore when he was signed to Adidas, and essentially this is his collaboration with Beyonce. Can be said that way, but obviously Kobe was signed to Nike, so I don't know. They don't really mention Kobe at Adi, but you know, these are essentially Kobe and Beyonce's collaboration. So let's look at the details of this beautiful sneaker. So we'll start with the outsole. So the outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see all that herringbone traction patterning there. It's like in little pods, little sections from the top to the bottom. You got the Adidas logo there in the middle, and it's in that monotone brown colorway. Looking at the midsole, so this midsole is essentially a foam midsole. Looking around, it's there for your comfort and support. This was born out early 2000s, so there wasn't a boost technology, unfortunately. The upper is made out of an array of materials. You've got your nubucks, you've got your suedes, you've got your leathers, and you've got your synthetic materials. So you can see at the toe box right there, you've got your nubuck in that leather cut there. Just underneath, you can see the textile materials, the mesh just underneath. Looking at the lateral side, so you can see the peaks there from the midsole unit, and you've got your nubuck pieces here that make the back strap essentially. You've got a fast lacing system there, also in thick laces, and it comes in an alternate orange colorway here for you. You look at the tongue, it's very nicely padded, and in that very hairy suede fashion, you got the Ivy Park logo there too. Looking at the heel, you got the Ivy Park logo as well, and you can see more of that synthetic materials, and the nubuck cuts the leather right there as well. Very nicely padded around the ankle support, and if you look at the lining, you can see all that cushioning right there, the mesh, and it's very, very nicely cushioned. Obviously, with it being a basketball sneaker, it's there for, you know, the protection of your ankles. And if you look at the insole, you got the Ivy Park logo and the Adidas trefoil logo as well, right there for you. Really excited to try these on. This is going to be the first time I'm going to be trying on a pair of Top 10s. And a pair of Beyonce. No, forgive me, we have done a pair of Beyonce's. We've done her Adidas Superstars. So check out that review if you ever get the chance. Obviously, Beyonce's doing her world tour. Hope you guys got tickets. I didn't. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not the biggest Beyonce fan. But hey ho, we've got her sneakers essentially. So roll that footage of me trying these Top 10 2000s on. it comes to the fit, guys, I guess a size 8 is right. I am a UK size 8 for Adidas. My toes are where they need to be. However, there's a bit of slippage. I can feel like the heel. And I feel like if I want that proper lockdown support, if I am playing basketball, I would go a half size down so it's more snug. However, other than that, I mean, it's really nice sneaker, very comfortable regardless. I don't know, I'm not going to mention he who must not be named when it comes to Adi, because I feel like this is kind of something that they had in the pipeline and they instead opted for a Beyonce co-sign. But you know, that's not neither here nor there. I don't know Adidas's policy or, you know, their future plans, but this kind of reminds me of something from the He Who Should Not Be Named line. Other than that, this is a pretty cool sneaker. Very nice colours, vibrant orange. Big shout out to Beyonce. We know you're watching. Love, girl, and good luck on tour. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.